invincible.
You're a mean one.
Good
Mr.
morning.
Grinch.
Welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Last Friday before Christmas, the MightyOxTrading Christmas party. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Hassan, Reggie, good morning. How are you folks doing? Market is not doing well. It's like pretty much straight down, trying to bounce now at 940, 59.44 the high. 58.66 the low. Wow, that's a huge move. 44 and 34, 78 points in range and Q. 429, and it just bounced off 006, almost broke 21,000. 429, so about 423 points. Just 2 days ago. Just 2 days ago, we were up at 22,438. So it means we've dropped over 1,400 points in just about 2 days. I think Dow's now had 11 straight down days. Copper, big pullback there at the top of the hour. About 80 ticks in range. Ultra Bond, about half a point in range. Gold, trying to rise up. Still maintaining 2,600. About 19 points in range. Crude oil, wow, look at that bounce on crude. About 70 ticks in range. Natural gas trying to bounce. And Bitcoin, big dive as well. Got all the way down to 92. Trying to bounce now, 93. So that's where we sit, stand there. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Oh, did forget that I needed to restart Tradovate and get my credentials. Sorry about that. We are dashing up the hill. All right. I'm logged in. I think. Log in. There we go. Yeah, whatever. Launch. Pin. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now we're ready to rock and roll. I think. Let's pate. Assad, did you remember to bring the snickerdoodles? Hey, Reggie, do you remember to bring the rolls? Thank you. Nice bounce here. We're rolling, 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 rolling. Dashing through the snow. Pulls back here. That would be a good thing, Reggie. News this morning. I think we got a bunch of news this morning. Let's look. Canadian retail sales, US PCE price index, US consumer spending, Fed speaker also at 8:30. So all that's at 8:30. At 10 o'clock, University of Michigan sentiment final. Eurozone consumer confidence flashes us. And it's another Fed speaker. And we're not streaming on Monday, but Monday there is actually news. USCB consumer confidence. And Christmas Eve there's news. US durable goods report and the US homes new home sales. I'll be home for Christmas. Look at that on the 5 minute. Look at that perfect V. Droop, droop. Oh, you know what? That 5 minute chart is actually. I need to change that. Still per. Well, oh, come on. What the heck? Still perfect V. Nice pop back up. It's like it's struggling at 10 about 100. Yeah, easy for me to say 102. Everybody got their Christmas shopping done. Christmas Eve will find me. Hey, Tipped, how you doing? Pull one back. Yeah, hard to believe it's almost here. Tomorrow's the first day of winter. All right, enjoy your breakfast. Order something good. Pulls back. We kind of respected that support two line almost to the tick both times. Boop, down, boop, down. You can see how it played around with it over here as well on the way down. Back down to the band. So a drop from about 111 back down to 76. So we're still moving. That's about 35 points. Northern. Those of you who like Tradify, remember today's the last day you can lock in having 7 accounts, get grandfathered into the 7. They're going back down to a maximum of 5 after today. Trying to bounce here a little bit. Don't really like it there. Good morning, Greg. How are you today? How you feeling? Hey, passing props. How goes it? I'm doing good. Morning, Chris. Market trend. Good morning. Everyone come in on the same bus? Merry Christmas, John. Good morning.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
Was it too loud? So back down to like 2280, down to about 20,000 basically. I could see that on NQ. I know you're YM, but I'm shocked at how quickly it's come down. Sorry, I put the sound effect, a few sound effects together late last night, and I really didn't test them. I don't know. Then I better bring the extra reindeer power to try and rally this. Yeah, it's interesting because while NQ and ES were kind of making all time highs, Dow was the first one to start moving downward. I think we're on day 11 of a downward move on the YM. Yeah, I wasn't trading back then, but someone else had mentioned that a couple of weeks ago here, and I think it was USC, and I looked and saw that. I was like, wow. Because I decided not to stream and all that uh, the next 2 weeks, basically, that it's going to be an absolute rousing good time. Last year I streamed and it just sucked. Every day was like, ugh. Hey, Speed Racer. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Nice pop here. Check something. Yeah, I remember when Topstep used to have a rule that their funded traders could not trade between Christmas and New Year's. We do have news coming up in about 3 minutes. I used to think that rule was so stupid, and then what am I doing now? I'm not trading between Christmas and New Year's. I just remember it was brutal last year. I hated streaming. It was like 3 hours of the stream felt like 10 each day. Well, I decided this year, especially since I admit, yeah, I mean, I'm sure people have noticed I've put out a lack of content over the last month. Besides, the streams and the daily discount video, I got kind of burned out. I need to fix that for the new year and keep up on everything. So I think this little break will help. Greg there got me information on a couple of videos I had planned to do, and I never did them. Most of it's still valid. I could still get it done, but I just oh yeah, yep. The Christmas government shutdown will not help. How you doing, Crip? Merry Christmas. Today is the potty. Not that it's really anything special. Although I will be showing my face later. Eh, maybe, but usually government shutdowns scare the market. Weren't you supposed to bring the spiked eggnog crypt? Whoa. Well, there's a new spike. Whoosh. Our whoosh pop. Market likes that. Wow. Pulls back. Got it went from 0.99 to 177, so about 78 points. Pulled back by about 20. Okay, why is my phone alarm going off? I have no idea why I have an alarm set for 7:30. Still running. There's 184, 187. Getting the eggnog crypt. Appreciate that. Hey, body bag. Uh, Depends. Do you mean did you miss anything this morning, or have you missed anything since you've been here? Like last been here, which was like a month. Hey, USC, thank you for bringing the devil eggs. Hope we brought extra because I can eat a bunch of those. Big spike up, body bag. Nice, basically a very nice bounce. It's trying to reclaim 21,200. All right. Ooh, someone traveling on the Friday before Christmas. They might get there by Sunday. Look, it's going. Wow. Talk about run, run, Rudolph. Price index came in 1/10% lower than expected. That's good for inflation, which is why it popped. Gonna try to short here. See if it goes for me. Nope, not going for me.
You'll shoot your eye out, kid.
Morning, Ed. Apologize. Working on sound levels of my sound effects. Apparently, they're coming in way too loud. Yeah, it's not going to work. The purple candle failed me on this one. Maybe. Oh, come on. Come on back down, baby. We'll move our stop down to that top of that second right there. We go. We're back in the profit. Come on down. Sitting on my entry. Yeah, they can do that. There we go. Target hit. That was a 14-point win.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
Working on the loud sounds of the sound effects, guys. Sorry about that. I should have tested that last night. Thank you, guys. That was tough to hold because I had a 30-point stop on it. Thought for sure it was gonna nail me. It was 3 micros. Yeah, it's a little loud, so I gotta adjust them. Don't worry, we won't be going to a whole bunch of sound effects after Christmas or anything. We won't make this an annoying stream. Bounce here off the, well, didn't touch the 20, but definitely shying away from it. Anyone have any plans for Christmas or, that area? I know RJ is going to the Dominican. Anyone else traveling? There's no place like home for the holiday. Morning, Amelia. Welcome. Morning, CBR. You guys brought a casserole or a covered dish? Sounds like a nice, relaxing time for you, John. I think that'll be good for you. My mother lives with me, so technically, yeah. It's kind of hanging here on the 9 EMA. Hey, you know the real person? Yeah, nice play here, body bag. Looks like it's heading up for you. Yeah, yesterday's was canceled because something didn't work, Chris. Remember, if Tradify, today's the last day you can lock in 7 accounts. They're going back down to 5 as of midnight tonight. Anyone that has 7 before midnight tonight will be grandfathered in. Rejecting off that support level there. Support resistance. We're giving away a 150K straight to fund it today on the Discord as part of the 12 days of Christmas. CBR, New Profit started adding rules and applying them retroactively to deny payouts. They may come back. I have to review that and see if I want to bring them back. I mean, honestly, they didn't hardly do anything anyway. Yeah, I knew there was something else there too. Ah, look at this pop. Nice. Again, I didn't take any of these blue candles because I didn't trust it. That was a mistake. So yeah, I have to decide what to do about a few props. You profit is one of those. League trader funding is another. Do you have a target in mind, body bag, or just going by feel? Good luck, my friend. That was rude. Bounces down, up, trying to continue higher. Can it take us higher? Up on the rooftop. Yeah, no one can figure out why, John. I agree. Struggling here to go higher. Yeah, John, Mets get Juan Soto, we get Max Kepler. Something doesn't seem good there. Sitting here on the 9 EMA. Wow, yeah, I missed that signing, John. Doesn't look like anything all that great there. Oh, ouch. Very sorry, body bag. You need a new owner, body bag. I do love Andrew McCutcheon. Such a great guy. Good morning, DJ 2112. Welcome. I don't recognize the name, I don't think. If I've forgotten you. I blame early onset Alzheimer's. If I haven't, welcome to the stream. Glad to have you. Really struggling to get higher here. Oh, sorry about the yawn. Yeah, that's a shame. The Phillies Pirates rivalry was great back in the late 70s. Just such a shame what happened to that franchise. Awesome. I always like to ask new people questions, but feel free to just tell me to mind my own business. But I always like to know how long you've been trading, what assets you like to trade, and do you use your own money or do you use the prop firms? Good morning, JC. Oh, here we go. There you go, body bag. There's a break upwards. Pulls back. Yeah, Ed, I'm wondering if their new stadium is going to make any difference. Hey, 7-0. Well, it was bound to happen. I'm sorry it had to happen, but there isn't a person here that hasn't blown an account. Do you need an invite to the futures desk, or have I already given you one? A nice pullback there. Big pullback. Okay, I forget. 7-0, are you on Discord? Nice, DJ. Wow. Awesome. Okay, can you send me a direct message with your email address, 7-0, so I can send you the invite? Banana Ball is awesome. But yeah, Ed, what I would love, I mean, the Rays have done so much with so little, with up until the last year or two, where they were always getting to the playoffs and stuff. It'd be fun to see what the Rays front office could do if they had like Mets or Yankees or Phillies money. Still falling here. Hanging here at 21,189. Yeah. Bouncing. Seven Ope, the invite's been sent. Use code MOT to get 30% off if you decide to purchase an assessment. Players will never agree to a salary cap, I don't think, John. I think that'll end with a huge strike if we try. I mean, I agree it'd be better, but that said, we also need a floor. If you're gonna have a cap, you also need a floor, so you don't have uh, teams like the Pirates and others that like are the A's that like have a $20 million uh, payroll. Still struggling to get higher. Body bag, you still in this, or did you get out? Mm, yeah, Tradify is usually pretty good about getting stuff fixed. Seven Up, did you hear me about the discount and all? Oh, there's the rise back up. 20-point screen? Good. Excellent. maybe Amelia, it's meant to be. Like maybe you would have taken a big loss if you'd been able to trade it today. Trying to look on the bright side. Trying to get through here. Doop, doop. Or will it double top and smash down? Uh, yes. No consistency. Oh, let me just look at that. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, no consistency in the eval. I know there is still a minimum trading day, so you'd have to like flip the other days. Good morning, Ace. How are you? Merry Christmas, Ace. Ace, make sure you tell Mrs. Ace I said Merry Christmas. Coming back down. So could not get through. It was a double top, basically. It might be caroling here and there. Yeah, it is a stupid rule. Passing props, I agree. I took a short here. I'm late as usual. Not too late, but oh, we're gonna get stopped. Ouch.
Bah! Humbug!
Oh, yeah, I know that, props. Coming back down. Probably should have taken the second one and I didn't. And this one's probably gonna work out. It is. That one would have worked. Bounces back up. Have a good one, Chris. Merry Christmas if you don't make it back. Happy New Year. We'll see ya. Choppy here as we head toward the bell. About 11 minutes away. Be about 9:30 my time, 10:30 Eastern, 8:30 your time. Morning, Platt. Good to see you. Oops. Whoops, 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 whoops. Is that okay? She need to leave before then? Awesome. Thank you for doing that, Reggie. Also, I don't recognize any of those names, so hi, everybody. Y'all need to talk a little more. Well, remember you can play the live stream stays up, so you can play it back later. I'll do a special shout out to her when I go live. Oh, here we go. Here's the rise. Going to try and break it. It's the third time the charm. Still trying. Got a little higher. Morning, D. Hello, Nasdaqian. Did I spell that? I mean, did I say that right? I think I got that right. Nasdaqian. How are you? Welcome to the stream. Nice. Uh, for the new people that are here, remember, first of all, this probably really isn't as much of a normal stream. We're messing around a little bit because we're calling it the Christmas party. And second, I'll also remember that this is our last stream of the year. Normally, I stream every day, Monday through Friday. I haven't missed more than 10 streams in the last 3 years and 3 months, but I'm taking the next 2 weeks off basically. Good point. Yes, triple witching. Purple candle coming down. Yeah, it's hard to believe I've been doing this as long as I have. Over the holiday, I need to totally redo the stream again because, like, of all the Christmas stuff up, I gotta take it all down, put it in the pantry. Still struggling to get through this level as we head toward the bell. And again, cannot get higher. Less than a minute. Quick pop here.
Look, Daddy, teacher says every time a bell rings, an angel gets his wings.
Yeah, it's a good movie. That said, I think we need a GIF or a meme that says every time the bell rings, a trader takes a full stop. We're choppy here at the open. Coming down. Not harshly. I turned monetization off for this live stream because I figured YouTube was going to nail me for some sort of copyright violation. Quick whoosh down. That was worthy of a whoosh. Good morning, A-List. Hey, there's our DJ. A-List party music. Ah. While we're waiting for this choppiness to clear, what is everybody's favorite Christmas song? Don't all answer at once. Yeah, song. Grandma got run over by a reindeer? Grandma got run over by a reindeer. Walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa. As for me, Grandpa, we believe. I really like Silver Bells and Santa Claus is Coming to Town. Yeah, those are winter songs. I always think those should be played all winter, John, along with Winter Wonderland. This is my, if you want to go with non well-known songs, this is my favorite. Let's not get into that debate. Nice pop there. Finally broke through up to 248. That run, 31 point candle up to 253. High of day is 301. No, that's wrong. I apologize. High day is way up there, 429. But it did pop up to 301 overnight, and now and trying to get back up there. Ugh. Wow, look at this run. Run, and Q. The market's going to take it up there. Okay, it broke that 301. It's still going. This is a 51-point candle. Yep, rejects there. Got up to 308 and whoosh down 24 points. I thought about taking a short there, but I wasn't going to jump in front of the rocket. Comes down, flying right under 300. Taking the short there. Waiting for it to come back down. Looks like wants to bounce. Maybe not. Boom! Target hit, 20 points, 282 to 262.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Reggie. Amelia, thank you, Ace. I almost jumped out at break even when it went down, came back up. Thanks, USC. Be back from the airport. Thank you, JC. Thank you, thank you. Comes down to the 9. For those that are joining us for the first time, just know that this isn't a normal stream. Normally, we don't have the sound effects and all that. Tries to bounce here. Nice bounce. Big candles. Our ATR is back up to 25. Looks like it's failing in purple candle here. Let's see if it gets back below the 9. It has 20 seconds to do so. We do have more news at the top of the hour. Last day of the year for bus duty, Ace. It didn't get below the 9. It's probably going to go. Up it went. Big move down. Wow. Yeah, that's a whoosh. Wow. So yeah, that market trend said that 300 was going to be an interesting pivot, and it really was. It's dropped 100 over 100 points, 10 minutes. Remember, at the top of the hour, we have University of Michigan sentiment final and Eurozone consumer confidence flashing us. and a Fed speaker. So just when you thought we might be getting some positive momentum, the market says, wow, another whoosh down to the 200 EMA. Wow, you profit just discontinued their zero plans. Wow, Burrow Investments, John, how you doing? Nice pop. How's everything been going for you, Burrell? One day I'll get that right. I should have taken that blue candle. It was a perfect bounce off the 200 EMA. News in 5 minutes. Still kind of grinding up. Merry Christmas, Burrell. Yeah, it's one of my top 3 firms, A6. Let me know if you, there is still invite only, A6, so let me know if you need an invite. And if you do, I'll need your email address. News coming up here in less than a minute, so be careful. It's a bunch of news, and we've seen that news has been causing things to go all wild and wacky. So if you're in a trade, buckle up, Buttercup. Yeah, it's a great question, Burrell. You profits not looking good. I actually dropped them because they started making rules retroactive and denying based on retroactive rules. Big pop. There we go. 47 points. It's giving it all back though. Got up to 277s, dropped back down by over 30. Just trying to pop back up. Hey, Ghost, nice to see you. How are you? Merry Christmas, my friend. Hey, remember Ace, uh, he does everything algo, and he goes for big moves, like holds for hours. Blue candle off the 9. Let's take it if it holds. Big candle. Watch it. See if it goes. Come on, go, go, go. Back up to that 300. Boom! Target hit. 20 more points.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.
Thanks, guys. See what happens when I actually take trades that follow my plan? Pulls back. Accidentally made? Wow. Green shaded areas. Oh, the green just tells me that the Lux Algo Ultimate RSI down here has gone above 80 or below 20. You can see often when that happens, and I get the first reversal candle. So here it came up. I got the red candle. It was a good short here. I got it down here, first blue candle with a good long. This one may or may not work out. It's just like here again, the purple would have worked for a downward move. Same here. That's working. Look at that. There we go. 297 down trade. I didn't take. I don't. That's one of the things I plan on studying over the holiday. My 2 weeks off is how often those work. And I'm also going to look at them on a higher time frame. And you see how that purple candle did lead to the promised land there. How's everyone else doing today? Is anyone actually taking any trades recently? I haven't really heard anyone say anything. How are you doing, Hassan? I haven't looked at the Russell. Oh, Russell's having a good day. So it'll rise up. RJ, welcome back. How was your breakfast? How's the new truck? Nice pop. Nice job, John DeFore. Why would you get a white truck in Canada? Isn't it going to blend into the snow and you won't find it when you get like 5 feet of snow? Still rising here up to 338, 343. Overnight high is all the way up at 429, so about 80 points away. But look at this. Look at this, guys. The Dow is just about positive on the day. Will it finally break its 11-day losing streak? Thought the Canadians didn't let you in the country, Ace. Monday, bro, it expires or has expired today. So you need to roll today if you haven't already. Yeah, the old contract's already stopped trading. I always do it the Monday of the just seems easier. Still rising. This was a blue candle I should have taken and I didn't. I don't think it's anything wrong to be chicken today, Reggie. Market's moving crazily. And, last full week before the holidays. Hey, JJR, Merry Christmas to you, my friend. Up to 346, struggling here. Let's try and push again. Smiley face killer. You're aware this is a Christmas party, right? Next up, we'll talk about all the stuff Santa can do once he breaks into your house by coming down your chimney. Hassan, that's a little wow. You okay there, my friend? You know, I've never had eggnog. Crypticon was spiking the eggnog earlier. Well, that one's going away because Kroger had it on sale, so I thought I'll try it. I haven't tried it yet, but it's sitting in the fridge. Haven't had any alcohol in 16 years. Well, Hassan, honestly, I deal with a food addiction, and I'm afraid that I was an alcohol drinker that could go bad. There's 400 on NQ. Now that said, I was on some pretty heavy opiates when I had my amputation, and I had no problem getting off of those. That was but eh, not like me, Ace. Wow, this is just running. So the fourth winner of the MyFinder Futures 50K starter is NQ King 111 from Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. On the 12th day of Christmas, MightyOxTrading gave to me. And let's see, what else do we have here? A take profit trader 150K eval goes to C at Gravi 74415. A Fidias eval, which we need to do some warnings about Fidias, goes to Skinny P 19. And an Apex 100K funded goes to at Hasne Gogo. Wow. Did we just hit daily highs? We did. Wow, we broke daily high. Look at that. 255 points on this hourly candle. And we have one more winner from the Discord. Except it didn't trigger. Why didn't it trigger? There, it triggered. There we go. Well, look at this. Reggie, you won the Tradeify 150K direct to funded. Now, guys, I will say a lot of people have not gotten back to me about their prizes. And that's going to mean if I don't soon hear from them, I'll be re-rolling those winners. So there's still a chance if you didn't win that you could win. I kind of announced it each day. I would think I would know your name unless it was something totally odd. I email everybody A6, so check your email. But a bunch of people have not gotten back to me. So, and like I say, continue to watch next week because I might end up re-rolling anybody that doesn't get back to me. And hold on one second here. First off, can you guys still hear me? Still hear me okay? Yes, we are, Amelia. Okay. Good morning. Oh, crap. That's too far. That was way too much of my body. There we go. Hey, no, it was not. It is my Mighty Ox Trading Santa hat. How is everybody? Merry Christmas to everybody. Pulls back. A 160 tick winner. Nice, RJ. Hey, JC, thank you. Yeah, I'm not bleaching the beard. Very great trade, RJ. So, how is everybody? Merry Christmas. It has been an absolute wonderful year, and I once again thank all of you for being here, for supporting me. It's the best year I've ever had financially, and a lot of that is thanks to everybody here. But even without the financial stuff, without the affiliate stuff, your support, your words, being here in the morning, giving me a reason to get up every day has been just awesome, and I appreciate it, and I thank you. Um, Onwards and upwards is my goal. Got a lot of personal goals coming up for the new year, but yeah, but yeah, I appreciate you all. It's been a great year. At times, it's been tough. Some of the stuff that's happened with in the industry has been a challenge, but now that my finances and everything are good, I got to work on actually getting the trading good, and that's what I'm going to be working on and during some of my downtime and into the new year. And you know, I enjoy being on this journey with everybody, and I'm really happy with where the community's at. I've never wanted to be biggest stream or anything like that. I'm happy with the way we are, where we can talk to one another and get to know each other without the chat flying by so fast. That's you know, great thing. It's still going. Wow, look at that. I appreciate that, Amelia. I appreciate that, USC and everybody. I know the chat's flying by kind of quick now, just as I say that. Absolute Crypticon. I'm glad you stuck with it and glad you're here. Bo, and I promised. Hi, Mrs. Ace. Sorry you had to miss me live. Make sure Ace rolls this back so you can watch it. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. K-pop and the other kid that I never heard any type of a name for. Maybe we'll need to call him Chocolate Milk. Appreciate that passing props. Yeah, RJ's still trying his takeover. And I appreciate it. I'm glad, yeah, Reggie, it was nice. I thought we lost you, Reggie, because we hadn't heard you from you for months, and I'm glad you showed back up. Appreciate it. But thank you, JJR. Appreciate that. I'm glad you're here. When you disappear, we worry about you. Me and RJ talk about you in good ways. No USC, RJ is looking to take over the world, one YM trader at a time. Honestly, I think these headsets actually drown out the train noise now. See, this is Blue Candle. I should take this long, but how do I trust the long at this point? No, I'm in Illinois, Central Illinois, originally from Pennsylvania. I could put on a Pennsylvania Dutch accent if you wanted me to. And no snow here. Actually, I guess it might have flurried earlier, but yeah, beer looks okay. I need a haircut. I plan on doing that this weekend, but the hat hides it. So how's everybody else today? Are we red, green, or somewhere in between? And passing props, no, not really. I mean, I follow it a little bit, but not much. Uh, New computer is not set up yet, Ace. When it gets set up, I'll be happy to share it. He's in the living room. He's not out here. If he comes out here, I'll get him to come up so we can see him. My chart set up, just a 1 minute chart with engulfing candles and a 9, a 20, and a 200 EMA. Then I have a Lux Algo down here. I have other clutter. I'm an ATR. Oh yeah, I'm Bollinger Bands. I'm not using a green screen. I'm using a just it's called VCam, and it takes away my background. It does show my chair. Sometimes it doesn't show my chair. It can make the chair disappear sometimes. I sit in a big old recliner that I need to replace. His name is Eddie. I didn't name him. We got him. I got him from somebody else. Big old fat orange cat. Kind of hanging there right about 500. Sounds cute. Well, I know the starter pluses are going to be more expensive than the starters. Yes, it is Crypticon. So it's really up to you. I know the starter pluses, have a few different rules, but they are going to be more expensive. Wow, Ace. Yep, we don't even need to pay for pay for this comedy. Still trying to push up. Let's see him now. Spoiled brat. Oh, by the way, Reggie, send me a DM on Discord so I can get you your code for that Tradeify. There we go with that great Christmas party conversation again. Reggie, I said send me a DM on uh, Discord so I can get you the code for that prize. Hold on one sec while I find. So now y'all, me taking 2 weeks off almost. We'll be back on January 2nd. Y'all aren't gonna forget me and go find other live streamers, are you? There you go, Reggie. It's sending you the code for your Traderify 150K straight to funded. Now, can you just imagine I fire up the live stream on January 2nd and have 0 viewers? Oh yeah. I mean, when I say I won't trade, I'm probably gonna trade. I'm just not gonna stream. Not gonna be any anything scheduled. Put it that way. I'll probably take a trade here and there. Uh, just in my free time. Yeah, we've actually YouTube sent me a year-end summary. Let me find that. Yeah, year-end review. 1,339 new subscribers, 95,700 views, 8,779 likes, 761 comments, 514 shares. The top live stream of the year was the um, stream RJ and I did, the overnight stream on Friday, November 22nd. So yeah, we'll continue to work on growing. Like I said earlier, I got kind of burned out in the last month or so. The honestly, the fast track trading stuff took a lot out of me. Dealing with that, and then Scott coming in my server and all that other stuff, and I just making other content. Just it was like, ugh. Plus, honestly, to be completely honest, I take a break from my carnivore diet um, for the holidays, and I should know better because it makes me feel like crap. So I get less motivated. So hopefully, a little break will get that. I have some videos that I'll probably do over the break as well. Yeah, Seth. So, but yeah, my goals for next year, and I say goals, I don't say resolutions, they're goals, is to finally become a profitable trader. I don't want to keep relying on affiliate income because you never know where this industry is going to go. And so profitable trader, and then to get my health in order, get this weight off, a bunch of it off, and start becoming more mobile again, all that fun stuff. Financially, I'm now in the best spot I've ever been in my life. Now I need to get the rest of my life in order. I don't know, that ace is pretty reluctant. Yeah, hey, anytime, ace, anytime. Yeah, I do intermittent fasting at times. Uh, I need to drop about the size of a regular human being, so I have a lot of weight to drop. But I gotta beat the food addiction that I talked about. Yeah, I mean, no, yeah, normally A-list, not for the holidays, but normally I do a carnivore diet, less than 10 carbs a day, usually. And another thing that helped, like I said, I'm a food addict, whatever, but because of the way my house is set up and the fact that it sucks, the house sucks. My computer's actually in the kitchen and literally right next to the fridge, so that doesn't help. but that's going to change when the new computer gets set up. And Q's gotten kind of choppy now, huh? Rose up and then just kind of taking a breath. Gold had a great day too. Look at gold running. Uh, crude invalid symbol. Uh, some reason TradingView lost crude oil. Anyone else using TradingView that's has crude oil? Weird. Ultra Bond had a good day. And Kappa. Oh, there goes. NQ continues to rise now. So anyway, I'm hoping everybody enjoys their Christmas holiday and New Year's. Forgot New Year's is in there too. And if you're Jewish, Hanukkah is also coming up. Never saw it before, but Hanukkah starts on Christmas Day, I guess. Of course, I'm not like going to be totally disappeared or anything. I'll be on the Discord. I'll still be doing my morning discount videos, all that. So it's not like I'm like gonna crawl in a hole for the next 2 weeks. And over the sometime over the next week or so, I'll set up a little crystal ball contest just for everyone to take a guess of where NQES and Bitcoin will finish 2025 at. Be fun to do. Absolutely. 2025 is going to be an amazing year for everybody. Yeah, we can do YM too, RJ. That's, yeah. Sorry, didn't mean to forget YM. We'll do YM too. Yeah. Oh yeah, I also need to just get some anti-glare glasses. That's why I hate wearing glasses when I'm on because you can't really see my eyes. You just see my screens and my glasses. Took the short off that purple candle. Let's finish the year strong. Boom. Up, out. There we go. 7 points. Could have been more. Bounced on the 20. Boy, MQ was nice to me today. I didn't even get to use my "You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch."
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
Oh, look. That's mean because I could have stayed in and got more. Props, I actually didn't monetize today, so I didn't get the copyright strike. So we've come to the end of our year, end of the stream, end of the year. Once again, thank you all. You all mean a lot to me, and I mean that sincerely. And I hope everybody has a happy holiday season, no matter what holiday you celebrate. And a great new year, safe new year. Please stay safe. I want to see everybody back here on the 2nd. We'll be back one day before non-farm payroll. See how everyone did over the holidays, how get together, have a little New Year's party. While trading, everyone can talk about their holidays, everyone can talk about their new year, and go strong into the new year. Thank you all. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Love you. Bye.